Guys, moving on with work, power and energy के numericals. There are 45 numericals in this chapter. 45. Right? Very easy ones. We'll just write down the formula and I'll tell you have to substitute. And the majority of the ones we are going to solve at length. पूरा solve करेंगे. So going on with work, power and energy. First, I'm going to give you a list of formulas based on this chapter. And what is the SI unit and what is the symbolic representation, right? So many formulas are there in this chapter. The first one, work is equal to F into S, force into displacement. Second formula, work is equal to Fs cos theta. When to use the second formula? When the body is moving along an inclined plane. When the body is traveling up a hill, up a slope, inclination, that time I'll be using the second formula. Third, work is nothing but energy only. Work and energy is same thing, na? Energy is the capacity to do work. Work and energy is same. So can I say work is equal to mgh? That's a potential energy भी बोला जाता है, because I just told you all that energy is same as work. So energy is work, which is mgh. To be very precise, it is potential energy. Then the fourth, kinetic energy, which is also एक प्रकार का काम ही हुआ ना. It's a kind of work. Energy. Kinetic energy is half mv square. Fifth, momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Power, capital P, is work upon time. Energy is equal to time pass, TP, time pass. Then eighth, efficiency percent is power output. OP means output. Upon power, IP means input, into 100. Output power upon input power into 100 is efficiency percentage. जिसमें input power को we also call it as power rating. Remember this. IP, that is input power, is also called as power rating. Okay, that's another way of representation. Right? Okay. Next, after this, the ninth formula is power is force, Fe, force into velocity. 10th formula, force can be written as mass into acceleration due to gravity, mg. 11th, according to work energy theorem, we can say that the work done, एक ही question में we are going to use this formula in just one question. Okay, according to work energy theorem, work is equal to half m bracket v square minus u square. That is final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. So eventually it's nothing but half mv square minus half mu square, which you take half m common, v square minus u square. That's it. These are the basic formulas. And let's understand what do you mean by what. W stands for work, and work का जो SI unit है joule है. E stands for energy. Energy is measured in joule. T stands for time. SI unit is small s, second. Then capital P stands for power. P stands for power, which is measured in capital W, watt. F is for force, and force is measured in Newton. Small m stands for mass. Mass is measured in kilogram, right? U and V, they stand for velocity, that is initial and final velocity measured in meter per second. Then क्या है और इसमें? We have potential, kinetic, yeah, that's it. E, T, P is done. Small p. Small p stands for momentum. Momentum is kg meter per second. Kg meter per second. Right? That's mass into velocity. Kg meter, it's together. Then I think that's it, right? V stands for velocity, it's done. F is done. P is for power, that's it. So these are the pointers which you need to remember, the SI unit and the symbols. ठीक है ना? Okay, after this, I want you to remember certain conversions. कुछ conversions याद रखो. Please remember some conversions. Conversion number 1. लीटर को अगर मीटर क्यूब में कन्वर्ट करना है, इफ यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट अ लीटर टू अ मीटर क्यूब, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000. फर्स्ट कन्वर्जन. Second, there is something called as horsepower. Horsepower, घोड़ा power, घोड़ा छाप. So 1 horsepower is 746 capital W, which is watt. Third conversion, if you want to convert a kilowatt hour to joule, multiply by 3.6 into 10 raised to 6. If you want to convert a kilowatt hour, W is capital, K small, W capital, H small, to joule, multiply by 3.6 into 10 raised to 6. Okay, and just remember this part. Where is it gone? किधर गया? ये रहा. पावर रेटिंग का दूसरा नाम है इनपुट पावर या आउटपुट पावर का कोई नाम नहीं है. This power input is also called power rating, right? So I'll just rewrite it. Power rating is also called IP power, input power. I think, yeah, to start with, इतना याद रखना, eventually as the sum comes in front of us, we will see what can be done, right? So just go through all of these formula and we are going to start with our first sum. Please make a note of these formula, the note of the SI units, and then we can definitely start solving the questions. Keep it in front of you. First question. It is said that when a body acts upon a force of 10 kgf, right, it is displaced by 0.5 meter. Calculate the work done by a body when the force and the displacement are in the same direction. Second, when they are inclined at 60 degree. And third, when they are perpendicular to each other. Right? Simple question. So in the first question, guys, I know that the force is 10 kgf. जब भी kgf में दिया होगा ना, when you have been given a kgf, always remember, you search for gravity की तलाश में. Just check in the question if G, value of G is given. Yes, it is. How much is it? It is 10. Check. The value of gravity is 10. So you have to multiply it. 10 into 10, answer will be in Newton. So the force is going to be 100 Newton. I am repeating. Whenever force is in kilogram force, kgf, and gravity is given in the question, you need to multiply. Please put it as a rule. Displacement S, 0.5 meter, first part. Calculate the work when force and displacement are in the same direction. When they are both along the same direction. ठीक है ना? So direct formula, work is equal to Fs when they are in the same direction. So work is equal to 100 into 0.5. That is going to be 50 joules. That is the answer to the first part. Second part. They are saying their force and displacement are at an angle of 60 degrees. So second, F and S are at 60-degree inclination to each other. So the formula is Fs into cos theta. That is 100 into 0.5 into cos 60 degree. That is 100. 0.5 can be written as 5 upon 10 into half. So work is going to be check karo 25 joules. Second. Third one. They are perpendicular. It's actually a concept. When they are perpendicular, work done is 0. So can I say force and displacement, they are perpendicular to each other. So the work done is again Fs into cos theta. Perpendicular means theta is 90. 100 into 0.5 into cos 90. And cos 90 ka value is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So 0 joules is the answer to the third one. So this was your first question. 3 cases, 3 answers. Second, a boy whose mass is 40 kilograms climbs up a stairs and reaches a height of 8 meters in 5 seconds. So let's write the data. Data likhe. Second, boy ka mass is 40 kg, height is 8 meters, time is 5 seconds. First, calculate the work done, the force of gravity and the power spent. G is given as 10. So first part, force ka formula is mg, that is 40 into 10. The force is going to be 400 Newton. First part. Second, work. Work can be written as mgh. 40 into 10 into the height is 8. 4 8s are 32, 3200 joules. Answer to the second part. And third, power. Power is work upon time. Kitna simple, just formula application sums there. 3200 upon 5. 5 6s are 30, carry forward to 640 watt is going to be the power. That simple. Just formula mein dala yaar. I just use my 3 formulae. That's it. Right. Next question. Third. A man spends 6.4 kilojoules of energy. Alright. So energy spent is 6.4 kilo multiply by 1000. Kilojoules ko I converted into joules by multiplying it by 1000. 6400 joules. Okay. And displacement is 64 in 2.5 seconds. Displacement you can write S 64 meter, time is 2.5 seconds. Right? Calculate the force and the power in horsepower in HP by the man. Simple question. Calculate the force and the power. Now, just please keep the formula chart in front of you. Yes? Energy ka formula is time pass. Time pass. So, energy is equal to TP. 6400 is equal to 2.5 into power. Right? Okay, get this 2.5 down. 6400 upon 2.5, can I write 25 into 10? Shift of decimal. 5 5s are 5 2s are, and 5 1s are 5 1s are, 5 2s are 5 1280. So the power is going to be 2560 watt. This is the power in watt. Question में क्या पूछा है? Calculate the force and horsepower पूछा है. Horsepower. ठीक है. पहले force. Force. How do I find force? Force is mg, mass into gravity. Any other formula for force? Fs. Work energy is equal to Fs. Okay. Do you know, I have told you time and again, work is equal to energy. Work का formula क्या है? ये रहा. See? Work is force into displacement. But I had written it as my third point, if I remember, that work is equal to energy. So energy is Fs. Energy 6400. Force into displacement is 64. Ones are hundreds are. So can I say your force is going to be 100 Newton? Okay. Now, power is asked in horsepower. Can I say 1 horsepower is 746 watt? That was the conversion. I had given you conversion out here. 1 HP 746 watts. How many horsepower will be 2560 watt? Unitary method. Cross multiply. So 746x. Get it done. 2560 upon 746. Okay. On solving you get 746 3s are 3 point something आएगा answer. I'll just directly calculate and check. It's 3.43 horsepower. H should be small. HP. So guys, go through these 3 questions. We'll proceed. There are 45 sums. बहुत है. Start. Fourth question. Question is, the weight lifter lifted a load of 200 kgf to a height of 2.5 meter in 5 seconds. So guys, load is a type of a force. 200 kilogram force. Height is equals to 2.5 meter in 5 seconds. Time is 5s. ठीक है ना? Gravity is given to me as 10. Find the power and the work. Gravity I have just told you in my second question. जब भी kgf is given, you have to convert in Newton if gravity is given. So force is equals to m into g. So force you multiply by 10. 200 into 10, 2000 Newton. Gravity say you have to multiply this to get Newton. That's it, yaar. Sum is almost done. Force पूछा and what else is asked? Work. Height means displacement. So work is equal to Fs. That is 2000 into 2.5. Answer will be 5000. So the work done is 5000 joule. And the power is work upon time. So 5000 upon time is 5. The power is 1000 watt, which is 1 kilowatt. That's your answer. Next question. A machine raises a load. Load means force. 750 newtons. And this was your question number 4th. Okay, 5th. A machine raises a load. Load का मतलब force. It is 750 newton. Through a height of 16 meter in 5 seconds. Same. Displacement 16 meter. Time is equal to 5 seconds. Find the work. Work is Fs. 750 into 16. So work का answer, if you multiply, you will get 12,000 joules. 1, 2, 3, 4 shifts. So 1.2 into 10 raised to 4 joules is your first answer. Physics का rule है. If the answer exceeds 10,000, okay, if the answer exceeds 4 digits, this is the way you write it after one decimal. And power is work upon time. That is 12,000 time. Time is 5. It's going to be 5 2s are 2400 s second. That's it. Power है ना? What second? Watt. 2400 watt. Next question. Question number 6. Electric heater whose power is 3 kilowatts. 3 kilowatt. Okay. Is used for 10 hours. Time is equal to 10 hours. Now remember, kilowatt and hour का compatibility होता है. Kilowatt is always compatible with hour and watt is always compatible with second. What do you mean by that? Whenever watt is given, you convert time in second. When kilowatt is given, you convert time in hour. Okay. How much energy will it consume? Express your answer in kilowatt hour and joule. Energy is equal to time pass. So energy is equal to 3 into 10. Answer will be 30 kWh, kilowatt hour. Now also they are asking me the answer in joule. ये बोला था मैंने, conversion मैंने बोला था. Kilowatt hour to joule. Unitary method, kilowatt hour to joule, multiply by 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. That is going to be 136 3s are 108 into 10 raised to 6 joule. Shift 1 2 2 के बाद decimal आना चाहिए. 1.08 and this becomes 10 raised to 8 because of 2 shifts. 10 raised to 8 joules. Right. 7th. A water pump raises 50 liter water through a height of 25 meter in 5 seconds. So it is 50 liter water. Water pump raises volume. First time they are giving me the volume of water, which is 50 liter. Okay. Okay, fine. Now, they are saying density of water is 1000. Density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. Always remember, अगर लीटर को मीटर क्यूब में कन्वर्ट करना है, if you want to convert a liter to meter cube, divide by 1000. So it is going to be 50 upon 1000 meter cube. This is the conversion from liter to meter cube. Divide by 1000. Density is mass upon volume. So density into volume is equal to mass. Density into volume is mass. Fine. Now what? Density is given to me as 1000. Volume is 50 upon 1000. This is equal to mass. Cancel the 1000. You get mass as 50 kg. Mass मिल गया. Okay, I obtained the mass. Right. Next. Height and time is given. Height is given to me as 25 meters, I think. Yeah. Time is 5 seconds. Height means distance or displacement. Gravity is given to me as 10. So first, force. Force is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. So force is mass, which is 50. Gravity is 10. Answer will be 500 Newton. First thing. Second. What are they asking? Work होगा. Work is equal to force into displacement. Force is 500 and the distance or displacement covered is 25. So 12500 joules, that's 1.25 into 10 raised to 4 joules. And third, power. Power is work upon time. That's 12500 and the time is 5. 5 into 25, you get the power as 2500 watt. So I'll just check the answer. Yes. They are asking me only power. Okay. So this was a conversion where a liter, if you want to convert in meter cube, divide by 1000. Okay. You get the answer. Go through these 3 questions, four questions, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Mark 7th as a nice question.
Shyamal Kapadia here. I'm extremely sorry for keeping you all waiting for such a long time. But now I'm back with a lot of things in the educational sector. I know that you must be wondering that where are the videos gone, sir? It's been quite long. Why have the videos been taken off from the YouTube? I apologize for that because there have been quite many reasons for me to do that. However, we have started giving those videos on a saleable purpose on a very cheap rate though. And in order to purchase those videos, you can contact on 7710871118. I have mentioned the details at the bottom, which will be scrolled down. Or you may even send us a mail at shamcaps36@gmail.com in order to get access to the videos for 10th as of now, ICSE, CBSE and SS. Not only for the school section guys, but we, Shyamal Kapadia and the team is also gonna approach in the college section as well for 11th and 12th standard, to start with the HSE board, the Maharashtra board, followed by the ISC, the A levels and so on. We will be soon coming with those educational parts also. But as of now guys, yes, a slow and steady process. We start with the 10th and even slowly the 9th and the 8th. So definitely you may spread a word along to your friends, your neighbors, your relatives or whomsoever. It's going to be helpful, these videos. And now onwards you're going to get regular updates with me and my team on Shyamco Grassroots Educare. Do subscribe, do like the channel my friends, and see you